Hey friends, Dave here with Transfer Express, and today I want to show you how to activate the customer kiosk mode here in EasyView Online Designer. The customer kiosk mode is incredibly valuable for any apparel decorator, whether you want to give your clients the power to design their t-shirts themselves or you want to design along with them on site. But you don't want them to see how much the transfers are going to cost, nor where you're getting your transfers from. And this gives you a perfect unbranded designer that you could use in front of your customers. So here, up top in the settings menu, all you have to do is click customer mode. Now that's going to hide all of the Transfer Express branding and all of the pricing that's usually present in the design mode, while you're still able to have the full features of customization, adding layouts, saving and adding to your catalogs, and of course, editing these layouts as needed. Now, you see, your customer could go in, adjust their quantity, and you could save the job. And then when after they leave, all you have to do is click it back over to design mode and your pricing will pull up and the Transfer Express branding is back. But this is a great tool that you could use that's going to hide all of that and really empower you and your business to provide capabilities that are just going to wow your customer.